Hello class 5th student. Here we continue the chapter 2 from our moral science book. Here we read the story of Jessica. She earned a US Federal Aviation Administration sport pilot license. Jessica is now training to become an instructor so she can help other disabled people learn to fly. Means now she got or she have the pilot license from US Federal Aviation Administration sport. Jessica is now training to become an instructor and she can also help for the disabled one just like her. She is now an inspirational speaker, means she motivates pupils. She talk almost daily to school, business and public crowds across the nation. Means almost daily she speaks some motivational speech, some inspirational speeches to all. Whether it is about overcoming the fear of flying, learning how to walk, or doing well in school, means it doesn't matter on which topic she talk. She almost talking about all the topics like fear of flying, learning how to walk, or doing well in school, how could you do better in your school. She helped thousands each and every day. In this way, by motivation, by the inspiration, she helped thousands of people each and every day. What may have been a disaster of a life to some soft-minded pupil become a lifelong challenge that Jessica was determined to beat. Means what may have been a disaster of a life of some soft-minded pupil, means the pupils who think that the disabled one could not do anything. The disabled one could not do anything, or the people having soft heart and they don't have a broad thinking, then they think that this disability is just like a problem, just like a disaster in our life. But it become a lifelong challenge, and it's also considered as a lifelong challenge of the throughout the life the pupils suffer from this physical disability that Jessica was determined to beat. But that Jessica determined to beat this disability and get success in her life. She said desire is 80% of success. Means your strong willing, your determination, your wish, your dreams are the 80% of your success. If you determined, if you think that you can, then you can. It's 80% of your success. Persistence means never give up. As I told you already, the meaning of persistence means a strong determination that you never give up. You could try and try and try, and finally you get the success. Never allow your fear to stand in the way of your opportunity. Means need not to allow your fear to stand in the way. Means if you thought your future will be bright, then it should be bright. You have to do for it. You have to work hard for it. Need not to think about the fears. Let them go away. As a human miracle, Jessica Cox believes that every challenge can be overcome with the power of mind. Means Jessica believes that every challenge can be overcome means every situation can be solved, every problem can be solved by the power of mind, your strong determination, your strong will. If you think, then you can. If you don't think, then you cannot. If you think positive, then you could do positive. So, by the story of Jessica, you came to know that power of determination, value of determination. If you determine for your any goal, then you can achieve it. So, learn this value and use this value in your practical life and apply this. That first you have to strongly determine for any work, then do and give your best. Thank you, class. We continue in the next part.